Whoa, look at that. I'm going to tell you all about that fungus in just a second. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be right back for the rest of this video. Alright guys, so you see this mushroom right here. I saw it from a distance and immediately I was like, oh, chicken of the woods. And as I got closer and closer, I knew that I didn't have chicken of the woods. This is velvet top fungus. It is one of the few chicken of the woods lookalikes. But under closer inspection, you will immediately notice something is wrong. You see the brown velvety texture on top here. And this is, again, velvet top fungus, not chicken of the woods. Another reason why this is such a strong lookalike for the chicken of the woods is how and where it grows. It grows sort of like a shelf fungus, or it is a shelf fungus, and it grows at the base of dying or decaying trees. That is exactly the way chicken of the woods grow also. But it's definitely not chicken of the woods, again. It is not exactly poisonous, but it is definitely not edible either. Or at least that's what the reports said. I've never tried to eat it. I can tell you that it feels like it would be really nice, but then it seems to be really stringy also. So it's disappointing that I didn't find the chicken of the woods that I wanted to see, but it's still a cool fungus to look at. It looks really nice, just that I don't know of any uses for it at this time. I wanted to show it to you so that if you ever saw this and thought you found chicken of the woods, that, well, you would know that wasn't true. It really sucked for you to try chicken of the woods for the very first time and it not be chicken of the woods and it be this velvet top fungus. You wouldn't want to do that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again with more great content just like this. See ya. Bye.